Hey guys, so I said in my Get Ready With Me that I filmed in February, I'll link the video here, that for the month of March I wanted to start a series basically showing how to start to incorporate color in your makeup. I personally am on this side of color. I wear a lot of color, and a lot of times the looks that I do bring to the channel will be looks that incorporate a good amount of color, right? But I also understand that, you know, most people aren't on the color train. You know, most people aren't comfortable doing a full blue-green eye, wearing a full-out purple, you know, lavender lip or whatever. So I wanted to kind of have a place on my channel where I could point folks to so that they could kind of see how to start wearing color. Of course, this is all dependent on you. This is all dependent on you. So, you know, take tips and whatever I say as, yeah, just that, tips or whatnot, and conform it to you, okay? So I'm gonna break this up into, I think, about 4 to 5 videos. One video might go together, and basically there are different areas of your face that I feel you can incorporate color, right? Of course, I have my base on, so I have my full foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, contour, all that is on. So my face is a very natural look. Excuse me. And so places that I feel as if you can incorporate color are, of course, your lips, your eyes. I say cheeks also. Okay, I say cheeks also. And that is kind of, you know, some people might not see that as a place to incorporate color, but I do. So those 3 areas, your eyes, your lips, and your cheeks, right? Okay. So today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I would incorporate color on my lips. This to me is the easiest place to start your color journey in makeup, right? It's the easiest place because, first off, there is a color for everyone. There's a color for everyone. Regardless of what people say, the winter was in here, regardless of what people say, I'm off center, there's a color out there for everyone. You don't have to wear the bright, you know, bright pinks. You can wear a muted pink. You don't have to wear the bright purple. You can wear a muted purple. But we all don't have to walk around with this isn't even, this is a chapstick lip, right? We all don't have to walk around with a chapstick lip. So I'm just going to, I think I'll probably zoom in, get y'all a little bit closer, yeah? A little bit closer, and kind of go through different ways you can incorporate color on your lips, okay? So let me zoom y'all in, and yeah. All right, guys, so up close and personal, hey. So, like I said, lips. Of course, this is, you know, not fact or anything, but in my opinion, I feel like lip products fall into one of 3 categories. They're going to be a traditional lipstick, which we all know as a bullet form lipstick. They're going to be a lip gloss, which will leave your lips with a shiny finish, and then they're going to be a liquid matte, okay? So within lipsticks, you're going to have a variety of finishes that can add more shine. Some can be matte, okay? But whereas with the liquid mattes and then lip glosses, you're either going to have a lip gloss that's shiny or a liquid matte that is either matte or less matte, okay? That's really the simplest way to put it, okay? So in choosing colors, I pulled some colors that y'all saw. This blue one. Not everyone is going to be comfortable wearing a blue lipstick. I understand that. And I don't want everyone wearing a blue lipstick because you can't wear blue lipstick everywhere. But you can find a way to put in a purple or a pink. Colors that are levels to natural lip color. So a lot of our lips are going to be in the pinkish family, some more deep than others. And of course, some people may have discolorations that's, you know, outside of this box that I'm talking about. But just like most blush colors are going to mimic colors that you would blush, as a lot of lip colors that are in the normal range of lip colors are going to be colors that, you know, would look good, right? So I pulled pinks, purples, and reds, okay? And one that is kind of out there. All right. So finding a lip color, okay? I personally feel as if when you are entering into the land of color, you should do it kind of on a gradient, okay? I don't think most people are going to be comfortable going from a nude lip, a chapstick lip, to a hot pink lip, right? So, and I also think that lip gloss is the easiest thing to wear. Lip gloss is going to be the easiest thing to wear. So, I feel as if entry into Colorland would be easily done with a lip gloss, okay? And this is going to be a lip gloss that has it has glitter on it. It has glitter to it. It has a little bit of color, but not too much. And I'll put it on. I don't know if I'm going to put on all of these, but I'll put this one on. So, never worn color before, blah, blah, blah. It's a pink gloss. It's a pink gloss. Y'all see, it's a pink gloss. But on your lips, it's not going to be too much of a shock, right? It's not going to be too much of a shock. You're not going to feel as if it's too much. It's too much to handle, right? So, then you can go up a level. So I have these two glosses here also. Purple is going to be the color that most people are going to be a little bit afraid of when you get into colors or whatever. But for me, the key to making most lip colors work is going to be a good lip liner, whether you're lining it with a darker color to the color that you're using, or you're coming in with a color that is a shade or two deeper than your actual skin color, okay? So I would line with either one of these to wear the purple lip gloss. Same thing for the pink lip gloss. And I'll just come in, and a lot of times, if you are lining your lips and you just go a little bit inside of your lip line, right? And make it so that that lip liner is a bit deeper on the inside, it'll give you a good gradient, right? And that'll kind of make it a bit easier for the transition to happen. Okay, so it's still not bam in your face as much, right? And this color is Purple Rain from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The pink glitter gloss that I had was pink tourmaline. I'm not sure how to say that, but these two glosses, right? Oh, it's definitely color. It's definitely color, but it's not as bam in your face as a liquid lipstick or something like that would be, right? So then we have traditional lipsticks, okay? So for traditional lipsticks, the same, in my opinion, the same thing applies, okay? The same thing applies. Start with something that is more of a flushed color, something that is more of a, not nude, because that's always going to be a default. That's why everybody's favorite color is a pinky nude, right? Because that's the default, okay? So start with something that is more of a flushed color, more of a saturated color, something that is a saturated pink, a saturated, something more saturated. That's all I can say. Let me wipe this off. The whole thing with a pop of color, this is the only place that color is found on your lips. The only place, right? And so I'm going in with Mai Tai from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm only putting this in the center of my lips, okay? So, an easy way to incorporate an orange or a purple or anything like that, same thing. You're lining your lips with either a brown or a deeper shade than that color that you're using, a deeper pink, a deeper purple, and you're basically putting it on, patting it out to create more of a gradient, more of an ombre type look, right? An ombre type lip, which it makes it easier on you to accept the color because it's not full out wham color, right? So it makes it on you because it's not full out wham in your face color, right? Versus if I was to put this on as a lip. Do you see how much brighter, how much bolder that is? Like, that is totally different than the previous lip. The liner helps it ease in. It eases the color onto your face, right? So versus a lot of people won't be comfortable just wearing, bam, orange lip, right? I am, but you know, I'm special. But wear that brown liner and have a ombre gradient type lip, and it's going to be a lot easier for you to incorporate that color on your lip, right? All right, so finally, reds. This is the color that I feel like a lot of people are afraid to wear, and I don't know why, because there is a red out there for everybody, whether it's a more fiery orange red or it's a, a cooler red. I personally will wear either one. I don't discriminate when it comes to colors, and my tip for wearing red lipstick is try a lot of reds until you find the one that feels good in your spirit, right? Like I have a red from ColourPop. Let me pull my two favorite reds. So these are my two favorite reds, right? One is Cherry Blossom from Colored Rain, and the other one is Ariba from ColourPop. I don't know if the difference is going to show on camera. Ariba is a lot brighter. Cherry Blossom is a lot deeper. But yeah, so those are my two favorite reds. Wearing red lipstick, the key is finding a red that works for you. I personally think blue tone reds look good on most people. Blue tone reds, to me, they brighten up your teeth, all that jazz. They just look good on almost everyone. Orangey reds, you know, some people don't look so good on them, but that's what I'm saying. Try out a few reds to see which ones work best for you. Classic reds, Ruby Woo from MAC, Russian Red from MAC. Ruby Woo is your traditional blue tone. Russian Red is your orange tone. Those are two colors I would highly recommend. Try them out. And once you see which one you like better, then you can start shopping for reds, you know. Same thing goes with red. Lip liners. Key to all colors on your lips is a lip liner, point blank, period, okay? And I like lining with either a brown. I like lining with a brown, a red, or I'll do a deep purple and have it be more of an ombre type lip, right? I'm going to line with a deep purple this time. And then for the red I'm going to go in with Man Eater from Smashbox, and it's a metallic red. And I know a lot of people don't like metallic lipsticks, but I do. Okay. And so with this color combination is 2 colors, right? And I get it. It's not for everybody. But the same thing goes with the brown. If you wanted to do the brown lip liner, bring it in a little bit deeper into your lips versus just having it on your lip line, and put a little bit of red lipstick, pat it out. You have a flush of color that is actual color, right? And deeper than what your lips would look like. Definitely not a nude, because we're not walking around here with blood looking lips, right? And you would have that color, and it'll be the pop of color for your look, right? So I really like this lip. I've never actually done this combination, and I really like it. But yeah, so I hope that this video has helped anyone who is trying to bring color to their lives. Like I said, my opinion is easier to go with lip glosses that give you a sheer wash. Lip glosses are easier to wear because they tend to wear off easier, not as like a matte lip that will kind of, depending on the matte lip, wear off in the center. And you know, traditional lipstick, you have to touch up. Lip gloss, they kind of wear, they just wear easier. So you know, start off with a lip gloss that'll give you a wash of color, then go, you know, into the more saturated lip glosses. So then of course traditional lipsticks, your satins, your matte, those kinds of formulas. And then liquid lipsticks. I personally think I love liquid lipsticks. Y'all saw my liquid lipstick collection. I have like, what, 400 of them. So I love liquid lipsticks, but they're not for everybody. They are not. And so I would highly recommend going from lip glosses, traditional lipsticks, and then if you do like a matte lip, head into liquid lipsticks, okay? So yeah, I hope this helps someone. Drop anything that you'd like to see or any questions or anything like that in the comments, and I'll respond. And if it's something that you want to see on the channel, I'll try to get it up on the channel soon. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias, Ashley Kristena on Instagram, Facebook, Makeup Matters on Instagram, Makeup Matters for Women of Color on Instagram also. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later.